Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. Here you are seeing that we have x plus 3 upon x is equal to 6. Then we have to find x square plus 18 by x is equal to what value? So we need to find the value for this value. Once we'll get the value for x, we can plug in that value inside this term. How we'll proceed? So let me manipulate it before going to proceed. Here first of all I will go through one quadratic equation after solving, and once I will get the value for x, I'm just going to put this value inside these terms, and then we'll get the final result. Our second approach will be without using quadratic equation. So let's proceed. Here what I'm going to do, just I'm going to solve this expression in this way. So we can write here x plus 3 upon x, that is equal to 6. This one can be write as x square plus 3, and this x is going to multiply with 6, so it is 6x. And here x square and then minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation, so I can get the value for x here in this way. X is equal to minus b, so it is minus b plus minus root under b square. B is our minus 6, so minus 6 square, and then b square minus 4 is c, minus 4, a is 1, and c is what? 3, divided by, we have 2a, so instead of a we have 1 here, so I'm just putting 1, and then I am getting the value for x. So x is equal to, I have 6 plus minus root over here 36 and minus 12 divided by 2. Now you can see here I have x is equal to 6 plus minus root over, and it is coming 4, 3 minus 1, that is 2, 24 we have, and divided by 2. So we'll simplify it. So 24 is what? 6 into 4, that is 6 into 4. So 4, root under 4 is coming 2, so I can write this expression in this way: 2 and root under 6 divided by 2. So x is equal to, I'm taking 2 common, so it will be 3 plus minus root under 6 and divided by 2, so 2 going to cancel, so we have x is equal to 6 plus minus root under 6. We have 3 plus minus root under 6, this value for x. And now I'm just going to put this value inside this one. So this can be write as in this way. Here I have x square plus 18 up. So first of all I will put all the positive value here. So x is having here, suppose we have, if x is equal to 3 plus root under 6, so I'm just going to put here 3 plus root under 6 and square plus 18, and this x is 3 plus root under 6. So I'm just going to multiply with 3 minus root under 6, because it is irrational. I need to convert it rational number by multiplying with just conjugate of it. So I'm just going to rationalize it. It is 3 minus root under 6. So this one is what? 3 square is coming 9. This is a perfect square, so I'm just going to break it down. It is coming 3 square is 9 and 6 root 6, and root 6 value giving is 6 root 6 square, it is coming 6, and we have 18, and it is 3 minus root 6, and it is coming here 3a plus b, and here a minus b, so a square minus b square, so it is 3 square is what? 9, and root under 6 is what? 6. So 9 minus 6 is coming 3, So this is as it is 6 root 6 plus 6, and here we have 18, and this is 3 minus root under 6 and divided by 9 minus 6 is 3. I'm cancelling here, it is coming 6 times. So I have one value that is here coming, 9 plus 6 is 15, and 6 root 6, and on the final we have 6 over here, so 6 minus root under 6. And once I'm going to solve once more, so it is what 15 plus we have 6 root 6 plus we have 18 and minus 6 root 6. So this one is going to cancel. Here we have positive and negative same value, so these two will cancel each other, and we have 33 here, the result for x square plus 18 by x. So this one is 33. In the same way we can calculate for value x is equal to 3 minus root under 6. Next thing we have to find the value for this one, x square plus 18 divided by x. So here I am just taking the value for x is equal to it is already we have x equal to, here you can see we have x is equal to, right here we have 3 minus root 6. I am using 3 minus root 6, and then we will check what is the value coming. So here if I am putting this value here, so 3 minus root 6 square and 18 divided by 3 minus root 6, so it is coming, if I am breaking this square, so it is coming 9, and then 6 root 6 and then plus 6, it is coming here plus, right here plus, I have plus over here 18, and this one I'm going to rationalize, so it is coming plus, and here 3 plus root 6, so this one is coming 15, and 6 root 6 minus 6 root 6 plus 18 into 3 plus root 6, and it is coming a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, so it is 9 minus 6, and obviously we are getting here 3, that is going to cancel 18, so we have 15 minus 6 root 6 plus 18 into 3 plus root 6 and divided by 3, it is going to cancel 6 by 6 times, so 18 here 15 minus 6 root 6 plus here it is 18, and we have 6 root 6, so these two will cancel, and finally we have 33 for this value x square plus 18 by 6. Now I am talking about second method to go through it without using quadratic equation. So that can be right in this way, that can be solved in this way. Suppose x plus 3 by x is equal to 6, and we need to get the value for 18, x square plus 18 divided by 6. So what will be the value for x? So here I just calculate this one. This is x square plus 3 and it is 6x. So x square value is 6x minus 3. I'm just going to substitute this value here. So this one is coming 6x minus 3, and then I have 18 divided by x, so it is going to multiply, and I have 6x square minus 3x plus 18 and divided by x over here. So this one we can get once again, we have this one 6x square minus 3x plus 18. So how I can solve this one? So here I have x square, so instead of x square I can write once again 6x minus 3, and this is negative of 3x plus 18 and divided by I have x. So this value is 36 x minus 18 minus 3x plus 18 and divided by x. So this one is coming, it is going to cancel. We have 33x divided by x. So this x going to cancel, and we have 33 is our final answer. So here you can see, without using quadratic equation, I can solve this. So this is our second approach. This one is our second approach, second method, and we had already first method. As I told you, this is our method first. So thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.